Hi everyone, welcome to 28 COE Talks. The idea of this short talk is to let you know who our members are and also a little bit about their area of expertise. Today I am with Dr. Pavani Kadiyala from India, who is the president of Government Blockchain Association of Hyderabad chapter and advisor to the board of MSME Business Forum India. As a blockchain business catalyst, she has good knowledge about the blockchain revolution, and she believes that it is helping to transform businesses and industries around the world. She also has more than several years of experience as a human resource and a marketing professional. So we will try to make blockchain very simple. So my first question would be, I understand about blockchain a little bit, not much, but in simple language, what is blockchain and how can you explain blockchain in simple language to a child?
First of all, thank you for 28 COEV for connecting today and giving me this opportunity to share some of the views regarding the blockchain. I can say simply blockchain is nothing but distributed ledger where we can get the centralized all the data. Okay, so this helps in transparency of the data to the people who are looking into the data where they want to connect with. This is what I just want to say in a simple terminology what blockchain is exactly.
So transparency is the main thing about blockchain. Is it right?
Yes, transparency is the main thing.
Okay. So how are businesses adopting it and how is it transforming other businesses? Because you are in this field, you have seen other businesses, you also give suggestions and mentor other businesses. So what changes do you see?
Exactly. So as I mentioned, transparency is the first and foremost of the blockchain, that which it really gives a value addition in any of the industry. Either the pharma industry, FMCG goods, anything. When and where there is a supply chain involves, there is a transparency required to have a product genuinity. We can say in a simple word, genuinity. So that is the reason like transparency is more important in the blockchain.
Okay, and what happens if there is no transparency before blockchain? What were the problems? Like you said, the product genuinity. If you can give some examples.
Yes, I will give you an example. Like first and foremost, medicine. I can give in the pharma industry, which is a big deal in any country, not only in India. It is a big deal all over the globe, where there is a spurious medicines which are mixing up and low grade medicines which are mixing up because of lack of transparency during the supply chain from the manufacturer to the end customer.
I see.
Not only this, even the FMCG goods and also the eatables, when they are moving from one place to the other, definitely there is a misplace of transparency during the supply chain. And also the other very good example is vaccinations. The best real example nowadays, everyone know, like because of this COVID, everyone are back of vaccines. These vaccines should be maintained in a particular temperature. We don't know in the transit whether they are maintaining in the particular temperature or not. But when we put on this particular blockchain, definitely they will have the transparency along with the IoT devices to make the sensors availability of the temperature. Definitely we can see the visibility of the particular vaccine traveling from the manufacturer to the end customer.
I see. Yeah, I think for pharmaceutical industry, it is very important for the transparency.
Exactly.
But then
not only that, even for the eatables, I can say, like if we are bread, milk, even milk. Milk is getting like once 2 to 3 days maximum the milk storage will be, which are from the manufacturer. So the best usage before the date of expiry. If once it is get expired, immediately it should give a notification to the manufacturer for this particular location, your bulk of products got expired, so need to get them back. Then only the company goodwill will be standardized. Otherwise there will be a remark even for them.
Okay, so not everybody is happy with blockchain, especially those who did not want the transparency are not happy right now. Right? The people who are actually mixing, how would you like the blockchain?
They can use, see, those who are not interested in transparency, they are interested in crypto. The other side of blockchain.
I see.
Where they want to make everything in a different way. Crypto coins, currency, digital currencies to store.
Right.
Without having any issues and problem.
So are there any disadvantages of blockchain? Any setbacks?
I can say like one disadvantage, because for every transaction, it will, as it's a decentralized distributed ledger, for every transaction, it go on checking every node, whether it is there or not. For that, huge transactions might be taking a large space and time to cover it up quickly in the applications. That is only the small drawback which I have observed in the blockchain.
I see. Okay. Thanks for sharing about this huge topic, blockchain, in a very short way, in the short interview. Before we conclude, since you are a member of 28 COE, I can see your picture also behind. Would you like to say something about 28 COE?
It was really awesome. I have attended one of the 28 COE event in Dubai. I can say it's a globally presented and expanding, upcoming, a wonderful organization. All the best for the future as well, and for your upcoming Ghana event, which is going to happen in the month of November. And looking forward that you also spread your wings to America, Australia, all other parts of the world in future. All the best.
Thank you very much. So nice talking to you. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.